Hi, I'm Umber and welcome to At Moving Image Studio, the virtual space for media making from the Museum of the Moving Image. I'm a museum educator and today I'll be showing you how to make your own puppet inspired by the Muppets with materials you can find at home. We are going to teleport your puppet friend into another world through a free live green screen application called VScope Green Screen Live. Let's play with our puppets on screen. When Jim and Jane Henson were filming Sam and Friends, they wanted to create a new style of puppetry that was different from puppetry on stage. Television was a new medium at that time, and they performed for the screen, not for a live audience. This style is still used by Henson performers today. Why is everyone looking down? There's a screen on the floor? Is this what a puppeteer looks like? Actually, this is how it is. Henson performers can see themselves the way the audience sees them. If I move right with my puppet, it moves left on the screen. This style is specific to performers on Henson programs, but can be used for other TV shows, videos, and movies. Think about how you look at yourself on a phone or tablet front-facing camera. This is a mirror image, reflecting each of your movements. This is different from Henson performers. Let's keep this in mind when we create our moving image work. Jim Henson also experimented with technologies and robotics over the years for innovative puppeteering practices, like robotic arm rods, computer animation. These experiments helped puppeteers' arms because it would get tiring. They needed to make puppets move faster or have more movement in the face to convey emotions and expressions. How long can you keep your hands up? Let's practice holding our puppet friend, whether it's a sock, wooden spoon, or with a string. Let's dance a bit. Cue music. When you feel comfortable holding onto your puppet friend, we can set up the green screen. There are many green screen backdrop options. You can discuss and set it up with a grown-up. So many options. Let's keep in mind that we should avoid making our whole puppet in full green or blue color, so that it doesn't disappear with the background. Sorry, Bloop, you're gonna have to stick this one out. Bloop. Depending on the kind of puppet you have, you will need to place the green screen paper differently. Let's look back at how you held the puppet. Puppets with socks and wooden spoons will need to be placed above us. And puppets with strings, we can place our green screen below us. Is your setup as elaborate as on the Muppet Show? Once you have practiced with your puppet friend and set up the green screen, you will need these materials to make it magical. An iPad or iPhone, download the VScope Live Green Screen application. Optional, a friend to help record your puppet journey. With your ISO device, download the application from the App Store and set up the iPad or iPhone accordingly. Use books or other furniture to adjust the height. So VScope is a phone application that uses real-time green screen to your iPad, iPhone, or iPod Touch. You can add photos or movies from your camera roll to use as backgrounds. And record in real time to a QuickTime movie. Use any ISO device that can record video. Now to set up your green screen on your device, press Setup on the bottom. It will take you to a magic key. Go ahead and follow its instructions. The app shows how much of the green screen will work for you. Adjustments can be done later. You can also crop out areas that you don't want to include in the video. To do that, press Crop, and then pull the gray circles in the corners. You can crop out a puppeteer's arm if you want your puppet friend to float with you. Hey Scoops, I can't really see you clearly. Let's adjust it. Press the Strength button and slide it to where your puppet friend is the most clear. New characters or props should come in your story. But before pressing record, it is best to make adjustments. Press record and have fun. Now that you have your puppet friend, green screen, and camera set up, think of a story to share with us. Are you going to talk to your puppet friend directly? Where are you both teleporting to? Share your feelings of the day and go on adventures. Let's go, Googly. Email us at studio@movingimage.us. Bye!